Hey there, Facebook friends and family. This is day 19 of my 24-day challenge. I'm planning on going to work out right now, but I do need a little motivation, so I'm going to have someone come in to help motivate me to really get back that animal instinct to work out hard. And they'll be here in just a little bit.
Yeah, hey, this is Steve Zender, the wrestler. That's right. I'm here to help him out to get that animal instinct back. Yeah, that's right. He used to have the animal instinct in high school. I even still have the junior high headgear. Still fits perfectly. If you don't have that inner instinct, just look at that. Look at all these medals that I got. Yeah, that's right, because I'm working hard. That's right, go in, go out. This is the thing. You have to be able to find yourself, your inner wrestler or inner motivator to get you going. So I want to get him rocking and rolling so he can get nice and tight and start getting back in that animal instinct. So keep it moving.
So I'm going to get going, gang. I got to get going because he's going to motivate me and keep me moving. So got to get that inner instinct, inner killer instinct going. Get that back. Same for you. Find it within yourself. Pull it out when you need to. That's what I'm going to be doing today. So I'll let you know how the workout goes. All right. Hey, later.